So very good morning to all of you. Okay. So today we are going to learn part 9 of chapter number 8, that is Introduction to Trigonometry of class 10. In this part we are going to learn about trigonometric identities. Okay. Identities means we are going to derive some formula. Okay. So right now we are going to focus on three different formulas or identities of trigonometry. Okay. So let us start it one by one. Okay. So here now, our next topic is trigonometric identities. Now, consider a triangle, that is triangle ABC, which is a right angle at point B. So, if the triangle is a right angle at point B, so the side opposite to this, that is AC, will become our hypotenuse. Okay. Now, for angle A, okay, we are going to find some ratios. Okay, this angle we are going to consider. Now, for this angle, BC is the opposite side and AB is the adjacent side. Okay, so now since it is a right angle triangle, we can apply here Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so in triangle ABC, angle B is a 90 degree, that we have written here. So by Pythagoras theorem we get sum of this height and base, that is AB square plus BC square, will be equals to the hypotenuse, that is AC square. Okay, now this is our equation number 1. This equation we are going to use again and again. Now for finding the first identity, what we are going to do, we are going to divide this equation by AC square. Okay, so dividing both the sides of equation by AC square, we get, means this all terms will be divided by AC square. So we get it as AB square upon AC square plus BC square upon AC square plus AC square upon AC square. Okay, now this AC square and this AC square will get cancelled. Okay, so its value will be 1. Now this AB square upon AC square, so forget about this square, but AB upon AC with respect to this angle A is what? So this AB upon AC. Okay, so that is what? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. And we have learned the trigonometric ratio adjacent upon hypotenuse is what? So that is nothing but cos value. Okay, and since here square are present, so it will become cos square A. Okay, so let me bring it here now, so it will be easy for us. Now we are always going to find the ratios for this angle only. Now BC upon AC, so BC is what? Opposite side, AC is hypotenuse. So opposite upon hypotenuse is what ratio? So it is nothing but sine. Okay, so we have here sine square A, and this AC square will get cancelled, so we will get it as 1. So we get our first identity. Okay, and what is that identity? That is sine square, this cos square A plus sine square A equals to 1, which can be written as sine square A plus cos square A equals to 1. Now remember, this is our first main identity. From this identity we can derive some more formulas. Okay, which one? So in the first case, if we change the side of this cos square A, so in next it will become sine square A equals to 1 minus cos square A. The next we get, if we keep this cos square A here only, if we change the side of this sine square A, so we will get cos square A equals to 1 minus sine square A. Okay, so have a look at this formulas. Now let us proceed towards the next part. Okay. Now again consider the same triangle, that is our triangle ABC. Okay, for angle A, BC is the opposite side, AB is adjacent, and AC is hypotenuse. Okay, so in the first equation we have divided this AB square plus BC square equals to AC square by AC. Now let us divide this equation by AB square, that is the adjacent side. Okay, so when we divide it by AB square, okay, so AB will be dividing each of these terms, so you get AB square upon AB square, then BC square upon AB square, and AC square upon AC square. Okay, then this AB square will get cancelled. Okay, now we get a ratio over here. Okay, that is BC upon AB. So look at this triangle. Now BC is what? Opposite. AB is adjacent. So which ratio is this one? Opposite upon adjacent. So it is nothing but tan. So what do we get instead of this one? We get it as tan square A. Now AC upon AB. So look at this figure again. Now AC is a hypotenuse. AB is adjacent. So hypotenuse upon adjacent. Now which ratio is this one? Okay, so it is nothing but sec. Okay, so what do we get? 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. Now from this one formula we can derive more two formulas. First step, keep this tan square A here only, change the side of this one. So if it goes on the other side, you will get tan square A equals to sec square A minus 1. Okay, next condition, keep this 1 over here, change the side of this tan square A, so you get 1 equals to sec square A minus tan square A. Okay, so this is our second identity. Okay, this is our second identity. Now let us proceed towards our next identity, that is third identity. Now again our same triangle, that is triangle ABC. For angle A, BC is the opposite side, AB is the adjacent side, and AC is the hypotenuse. Okay. Now in first case we have divided by AC, in second case we have divided by AB. Now let us divide it by BC. Okay. So we have by Pythagoras theorem AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. Now dividing each term of both the sides by BC square, we get AB square upon BC square plus BC square upon BC square equals to AC square upon BC square. Okay, so now this BC square and this BC square will get cancelled. Okay, so in next step we get now AB upon BC. So look at the figure. Okay, now what is AB upon BC? That is adjacent upon opposite. So its ratio is a cot. So that we have written over here. Okay, then this BC upon BC will become 1. Now AC upon BC, so AC is hypotenuse and BC is opposite. So what is hypotenuse upon opposite? So it is a cosec square A. Okay, so this is our next relation, that is 1 plus cot square A equals to cosec square A. Okay, so again from this we get more two formulas. First condition, change the side of this one, so we get cot square A equals to cosec square A minus 1. Next, change the side of this cot square A, so you get 1 equals to cosec square A minus cot square A. Okay, so in this way we get three different identities. Okay, what is our first identity? Sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. Then we have 1 plus tan square A equals to sec square A, and 1 plus cot square A equals to cosec square A. Okay, so what you people have to do, just go through this procedure, how we got these three identities, and finally get these three identities and learn these identities, because we are going to use it in the next, we are going to use it for solving some examples based on trigonometric identities. Okay, so this much is enough for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.